So
always figured out that
yes, the word on the street is that to like join Grant Cardone's team, you have to like get audited somehow by Scientologists and sell a Ferrari. So and be in a locked room for like a day in the dark and do crazy things. So for our team, it's much less, or not. So you have to at least taste Ludicrous hot sauce. So Elaine has never been to the chicken and egg before. And so we're not going to, of course, ask her to harm herself. We're not going to ask her to dip a wing into Ludicrous sauce. But the way that it's done, right, is, and Frando's done this, just a drop. One drop. So this is not the effect of watching Elena be like overly, and she of course can accept or decline this opportunity, right? So it's not to have an entire event of her not feeling well. It's to have just to watch what a singular speck of Ludicrous hot sauce means to your mouth. It will not harm you. It will not ruin your meal. But you'll be like, I've never seen a speck of hot sauce able to be this hot.
Okay.
So would you be willing to try that?
Of course.
Okay. So where's the Ludicrous? All right. So would you mind? Yeah. So, but all we need is, and Nicole, can you be the auditor? Auditor. Get it? Get the joke, Fernando? Auditor. Can you be the auditor of? Because Tyler's done a lot of research online about Grant Cardone in the world. So can you be the auditor, Nicole? Make sure it's only a speck.
I would use like a tiny
On a fork.
Like a tiny.
One tongue of the fork, one
Yeah.
speck.
Is that good?
Yeah, that is good.
Okay, ready?
That is
Just touch it on your tongue.
Okay, drum roll.
Drum roll.
She did it!
That's hot.
Already, and it only gets
That's hot.
hotter.
Okay.
So how would you describe for the folks out there in the world of 2020 Vision, who by the way is amazing, has 15,000 people in her organization? That's an incredible accomplishment. Congratulations. From how many countries?
Oh, I don't even know. All over the world.
Because you're confused at this point because Ludicrous is changing all your states.
Right, it's making smoke come out of my ears.
Like, how would you describe what it's like?
Tingly, warm, but actually kind of interesting. It's not burning my mouth as much as kind of waking up my brain, so that's a good thing.
But that's one speck.
Yeah.
Fernando, are you willing to redo the Ludicrous and potentially, like, what are you willing to do with Ludicrous right now?
I'm going to do 2 ends of the fork.
There you go, all right. He's doubling up. Let's hear it.
I'm going to double it up. I'm going in 2 ends. Can you audit? Yes.
Yes.
It's two forks. It never changes. Never changes.
All right. And I am going to, in service of this team, because Elena was just describing on her team how important it is to make sure that you're still working hard and never resting on the backs of others. Is that fair?
Oh, yeah.
All right. And so we're launching incredible things here. So I am going to actually dip the wing into the Ludicrous sauce and take it away.
Very good.
You know what, Ty? I think I'm going to go. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
So, and I think I'm going to use the drumstick. I think I'm going to go with they're called, like, what are they called, Ty?
Flats and rounds.
Flats and rounds. I'm going to go to
Flats and
rounds.
rounds, okay.
Right?
Drum it.
All right. Here we go. And
Wow.
this is a flat. You going to do the dip for me, Ty?
Oh my Jesus. Oh my God.
Oh my
Here we go.
Oh my God.
It's not dipped. It is not dipped.
Oh my God.
So if I have a plate under me,
It's not dipped.
is there an extra plate?
Sure.
Thank you. Right. It's a lot. It's a lot. I get it.
Don't do it!
Napkins. Okay. Thank you. All right. So I'm gonna. Is it at least legitimate to still be a full-on crazy move if I at least dab it on the plate?
Yeah.
The
Yes,
plate's not,
yes,
not
yes,
absorbing,
yes,
right?
yeah.
So like it's not like actually dripping off.
No, it's like
Don't
this.
do it!
It's like the size of a $50.
This side? Are we watching this?
Yes, we're watching this.
So if I bite into this, I'm legitimately biting into a Ludicrous
Wing.
covered wing.
Absolutely.
It's like facing me.
You're
Alright,
there.
here's my water. There we go. Alright, let's serve this up.
Whoa!
Was that was in the light?
Yeah,
Just
that's a
quite a
bite.
bite. Me.
Wow. Fernando, that's hot, brother. But how about if we go for two? It's on the end.
2 bites, okay.
Alright, that happened.
Is that a legitimate second bite?
Yeah.
Solid you, huh?
I'm getting hot just looking at you. Thank you. Oh my god, it's amazing.
So that was 2 bites of Ludicrous wing. By the way, for the first time in my life,
Well, hot chicken butter?
You're speechless.
it is super incredibly hot. So we'll see you in a little bit. And the hiccups. So it is 3 minutes later, and it is brutally hot. And these are actually tears pouring down my face. That is how hot it is. See you later.